In recent years, online novels with distinctive Chinese features, characterized by imaginative story plots and a strong sense of immersion, have emerged as important ways for cross-cultural communication. According to a report released by the China Audio, Video and Digital Publishing Association in late 2023, the total revenue of China's online novel industry reached 31.78 billion yuan in 2022, up 18.94% year-on-year. Its overseas revenue accounted for 4.06 billion yuan during that period, an increase of 39.87% year-on-year. The report said Chinese online literary works have been translated into more than 20 languages, covering over 40 countries and regions in Southeast Asia, North America, Europe, and Africa.
网络小说是一个很新的东西，就是当下年轻人也会接受。那么我以这样的方式写一些年轻人爱看的故事，然后通过这些故事去把传统文化引进去，再给这个年轻的一代和传统文化之间搭一座桥梁，让他们去对传统文化产生兴趣。
Through the online literature, readers could learn about Chinese cultural elements and core values such as diligence, harmony, and cooperation.
时代赋予的机遇成就了我们这几代人。有一点很自信，我们创作出的文化产品既是中国的，又属于世界的，既是当下的，也拥抱着未来。
人类对美好、对善良、对仁爱这些的追求，对友情、爱情的亲情的可能向往，其实全世界人类都是一样的。